What's going on, everyone? Justin Tech here, and today I'm checking out the all-new user interface coming to Fire TVs. Amazon sent over the Fire TV Stick and some goodies. This is the biggest redesign ever for Fire TV, and it makes it more personalized, faster, and easier to use than ever before. It will be rolling out to new Fire TV sticks over the next couple weeks, and coming to older models early next year. Before we hop into it, I just want to thank our episode sponsor, PDF Element. PDF Element is an all-in-one smart PDF editor available on Mac, Windows, iOS, and Android devices, and it's a much cheaper alternative to Adobe Acrobat. It allows you to easily fill out forms just by opening them. Here I've got my W-9 and it's ready to go. Did you think I was actually going to give you my social? It also has the tools needed to create your own fillable documents. PDF Element can recognize and extract data from documents using data extraction. Just drop the documents you'd like to pull from, select Start, and an Excel spreadsheet will be created. You can also apply a protected digital signature, which helps validate document authenticity and integrity. For a free download and free trial of PDF Element, make sure you check out those links in the description. Back to the video. Fire TV's new layout is much cleaner than its predecessor. It's easier to find content you want to watch and apps you want to browse through. The occasional sponsored banner will still show up, which I'm not a fan of, but hey, the Fire TV starts at $20, so you get what you pay for. You're also getting more power. The new Fire TV Stick is 50% more powerful, and the Lite has the most processing power for a streaming device under $30. The main menu is now located in the middle of the screen. Moving up from there, you'll see full screen banners of suggested content. Amazon has added the ability to create up to 6 user profiles. These profiles will allow for a more personalized user experience. Users can see their own viewing history, recommendations, watch list, live TV preferences, and accessibility features. You can even create profiles for kids, like this one I made for my future son, Justin Jr., and you can set a passcode so they can't access an adult account. Keep in mind, these accounts won't have access to voice commands. Switching to another account is really easy, and I have my account set up for voice profiling, so it knows when I'm speaking. Watch this. Turn on my profile. There you go. Welcome, Justin. That's me. If you want to set this up yourself, just say, Alexa, learn my voice. And if you don't want your device to know your name, just say profiles. And it will show you all the profiles available. Back to the main menu. You've got your library, which holds your watch list and purchased items, and home, where it displays content based on your viewing preferences. These recommendations will improve the more you use it. Then there's Find. Here you can search for content through recommended filters like free content or different genres. And you can always just ask, show me sci-fi movies. Voila! Next, there's the Live tab. This is where you'll access live TV, like if you have accounts for YouTube TV, Sling, or other live TV apps like CBS. Then you've got all your apps lined up. A new feature that I really love is called App Peek. So when you hover over one of the applications, you'll see content populate the bottom half of the screen from that streaming platform, and you can instantly watch it just by going down. Let's say I want to watch Bombshell, bada bing, bada boom, there we go. You can reorganize your apps by clicking on the ellipses. Just hold down the select button on an app to move it around. And just like Amazon's other devices, this is powered by Alexa, so it can ask questions like this. What is the weather?
Right now in Los Angeles, it's 70.
And you see that it's showing only on the bottom of the screen, so it won't interfere with what you're watching.
The same, with a high of 73 degrees and a low of 49 degrees.
It's always nice here. Requests like traffic and shopping lists will still go full screen. What is that shopping list? And of course, I can control my smart home. Turn off gradient, which is the strip behind my TV. Voila! Turn on gradient. We're good. I'm a big fan of this new user interface, and personally, I really like that my viewing history is separated from my roommates. The addition of the child profiles makes it one of the most secure platforms for children. If you've got an Alexa smart home, then this would make a great addition to your house. And if you're looking for just cheap streaming devices to throw in different rooms, no one can beat these prices. If you have a Google smart home or you're just like a YouTube fanatic, then you should look at the Google Chromecast. I reviewed that in another video, so I'd recommend you watch that before you make a decision. Also, if you want to learn all the ways you can take advantage of your Amazon smart home, you should totally check out the episode from my Ultimate Smart Home series, the Amazon episode. I'll put that right here. And I've got tech reviews and comparisons coming every single week. So you should hit that subscribe button and click that bell for alerts. That way you know when my videos come out. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like. I'm Justin, and I'll tech you later.